Hi and welcome to this quick tips Illustrator tutorial where we're going to be looking at beveling edges. So this is really straightforward. So all we're going to do is select these little points here, and you'll probably use this one already, where you just pull this little white circle here and you'll get the curved edges feature. But there are others. When you double click this little button here, you've got the inverted round as well, which you can create these quite unique looking vectors. And for the final one we have the chamfer, which is probably my favourite one. Again, if we increase the radius you can get this really hard beveled effect. You can do it with obviously individual points as well. If you didn't want to bevel a point, you can go through and adjust it, just do it a little bit, even change it again. You see how this is curved background again. You can make it whatever way you'd like it to create some really unique designs. Okay, thanks for watching.